Hello guys, it is, what day is it? Tuesday, and we are headed to get little Missy's haircut because her hair's too long when she is doing her tumbling and her back walkovers.
I step on my hair when I do my walkover.
Yeah, she's literally stepping on her hair, so when she goes into a back bend, she slips on her own hair. Even when it's in like a high pony, like up here and hangs over her head, it's too long. So we are going to get her hair cut. She said that she doesn't want to be bald. I think she's worried that we're gonna cut her hair off. I'm just gonna cut the minimal amount off that's possible because I do want it long for cheer when that time comes. You're buckled in, right?
What?
No mount. Still no mount. Are you buckled in? Okay. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I'm getting a mount, you guys. I promise. I'm getting a mount. But so I'm gonna cut the minimal amount off that's possible. But like I said, for cheer, which she starts in August, she needs to have long hair because I think most of the girls have long hair, and I think it just looks aesthetically a lot better when they all look very similar. Is that stupid? Ugh. I know short hair is better to take care of, but she also wants long hair, and I'm gonna try to keep it as long as possible for her without it becoming an injury risk, since she does do walkovers and stuff now. I don't want to risk her slipping and hurting herself. So she also wants her hair to be colored, which obviously I said no. I'm just not. I know that you can do like this spray and color and things like that. I'm just not there yet as far as letting her color anything. And then I thought about letting her do for the summer like one tape-in extension of a color. Again, I'm just not there yet. I know it's not that big of a deal, but I don't know, I'm just not there yet on the colored hair. So we're gonna hold off on that for now, even though she's been begging me for like a year now. I don't know, you guys, I'm like, would you let your daughter who's 5 have a piece of colored hair depending on what color it was? I don't know how people look at that, and I'm just not sure that I don't know. The whole thing with tape-ins, like, you have to take care of them. Obviously, you guys know that I have some tape-ins now, and you have to be really careful when you wash them, and the whole conditioner situation. And if you're rough on your hair, I just don't want her to rip her hair out. So probably not. We're gonna hold off, I think. But I'm curious to know what your guys' opinions are of letting your 5-year-old have, you know, a part of her hair colored or like an extension like that. So we're gonna go ahead and go get her hair cut, and I need to stop at Starbucks, of course, because I really want a treat today. So I'm gonna treat myself because I haven't had Starbucks in, I think, over a week, so it's not excessive. So let's go. How much are we gonna cut off your hair?
2 inches.
2 inches? So no short hair?
No.
No? You wanna keep it long?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's what Mommy wants
I
to.
went.
I wish I could say it was the next day. It's not. It's actually 2 days later. And I just decided to continue the vlog because, well, I mean, I'm not a quitter for one, but Aniston really wanted her haircut on the vlog, so I'm going to leave that clip, and she really wanted that. So I'm going to leave it in there and just continue this vlog like it is, because sometimes it's just how it has to be. And I'm actually headed right now to Iowa State University. That is the university that I applied to and got accepted to. I ended up paying my admissions fee, which is like hundreds. I had no idea that if you accepted an offer from a college, you had to pay hundreds of dollars right then. So I was kind of like, that's interesting. I feel like I'm such a newbie with this whole like university thing. And so I paid that, did the orientation, and then if you follow me on Instagram, you will know I've had a huge issue with my advisor. Luckily, she will not be my advisor. Praise Jesus. If you don't know what I'm talking about because you don't follow me on Instagram, I keep looking at my hair because it's so big, because I just washed it and it's super clean. So I'm like, oh hi, my hair's clean today. But anyway, so basically we had a 49-minute long phone conversation yesterday, and I'll be honest, you guys, I on the phone was tearing up through a lot of the conversation. She was extremely condescending towards me. Literally the words that came out of her mouth to me, I was shocked. I could not believe what she was saying to me. Basically, for like those who don't know, I'm just gonna say it. Basically, she told me that I really should just consider leaving that university, like I just got there, hello, and go back to community college and then find one of those online colleges that you see commercials for. Because I'm a mom now and I can't be flexible. I have never in my life had someone treat me like I was stupid and not capable of doing things. And I really wanted to be like a smart mouth, and I have a really hard time sometimes not jumping to defend myself when I know that I can do something. And I was so mad and so hurt that I cried. Like I almost cried on Instagram stories. It was a nightmare. And the moral of the story is, I'm going to Iowa State right now, and I have to get an ID card. I have to go to financial aid to talk about, like, I need to get a cost summary of like everything. I'm registered for summer and fall right now, and I am going to go have my advisor have them go ahead and switch it, because I am double majored, and neither of them, the majors, she's an advisor for. Praise God, I could not live if that was my advisor. I couldn't. So I ended up doing all my registration online by myself last night. I got off the phone with her, and I will never speak to her again. And I'm just gonna, I will tell my new advisor what happened, and hopefully that advisor, either she says something or she doesn't, but I just don't really think I should go complain to people, because I'm just not a complainer. But I am gonna tell my new advisor how I feel and why I feel so bad, and hopefully they will not appreciate it, and they can hopefully say something, but or they can direct me to talk to someone if they feel like I need to. So I know a lot of you guys were like, tell someone, but I just get so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know, I've just never been someone that's gonna like go above someone else's head, but maybe I should, because she should not be discouraging moms from, especially moms who are bettering their education and want to, telling them they should just go back to community college and go to one of the online schools. Like, no. And for those of you who asked, her name's not really Barbara. I just call everyone Barb. I can't say her real name because since I am announcing now that I'm going to Iowa State, I don't want someone to like think that I'm giving out her information. Her name's not really Barbara. I'm praying to God there's not a Barbara that works there in the advising department. I have no way of knowing that, so hopefully not. But that's not her real name. I just used that as a name just to vent yesterday, so please don't worry. I'm not outing her name and sending like a riot after her. But so yes, I'm still excited to go to Iowa State, and I just wanted to announce that to you guys. I am going to Iowa State. I will talk to you guys later in a sit down portion of this video about what I'm going to school for and how I'm going to be double majoring and what I'm double majoring in and how I'm going to make it work. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this vlog, which is part of the last vlog, so it's all just the cluster of vlogs.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day, well, that's not okay.
All right, guys. Okay. No. This just describes my entire day. My hair is all crazy because I've been laying over here on the couch digging into my degree audit for Iowa State. So I have to end the vlog because I'm getting so stressed out about the mess around my house right now. Like, over here is messy. All this stuff out here is driving me crazy. The dog's driving me crazy because it's wet outside and she's tracking mud everywhere. So hopefully you guys understand that I just get this way sometimes, and I'm sure you guys do too, where everything just is driving me crazy. And the twins are asleep, so I'm gonna take this time to pick up stuff and continue digging. But as I was saying, in your Iowa State degree audit, you can compare and contrast different degrees, what you need, what you've already satisfied. And because I have some transfer credits, I'm seeing where they're going. And right now my mind is split into like 3 different directions of where I could go with my degrees, double majoring, majoring in one. However, out of all 3 pathways, there's one pathway I could do everything almost online completely, minus like a half of 1 semester, like later on. The other 2 would both require me to do quite a bit of coursework at Iowa State, like in the classroom, which isn't the end of the world. I totally get it. Luckily, the way that the schedules work around here, I know I'm very lucky. I could do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class and only have to get childcare every other Friday, which is absolutely amazing, I know. So I could spend this first year and a half to 2 years, well, about a year and a half because of the whole deployment situation. I could spend that whole year and a half knocking out all the classes that I can do online and then go in to Iowa State for, you know, a year and a half and literally do a full-time schedule, probably. So it's really just gonna depend on what I'm willing to do, not willing to do, but what's just gonna make sense, what I'm passionate about versus what I'm not passionate about. My advisor on Monday, luckily it's not Barb. I'm just not gonna miss Barb. Luckily it's an advisor who was meant for me. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but while I was walking around Iowa State property, which I got lost, and I don't want to talk about it right now because it's just gonna aggravate me because everything there was so confusing. I got a call from the receptionist for the department that I was thinking about going into, and she actually set me up with my actual advisor, who was supposed to be the one that I was given originally, so I'm not sure how I got stuck with Barb. Anyway, so luckily I have an appointment on Monday to meet with her, and I'm gonna go over all 3 scenarios with her and see what she thinks. And I'm just hoping that she's nice and doesn't give me the same bull crap about the whole mom situation, because I would have to be escorted off by campus security if someone to my face tells me that I can't do this or that because I'm a mom. So let's pray. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. So I'm not really that worried about it, honestly. So on Monday I will bring the camera along with me, not so creepily filming anyone. I'm just gonna just play it cool, and then hopefully by Monday I will have an answer to what I'm doing, and then I will tell you guys what I'm doing with my life, because I need to figure it out. And I'm probably gonna be digging my head into this degree audit system for a while, just kind of comparing and contrasting how things are gonna be, because I don't want to start school and then completely change my track and then have wasted a few classes. So with that being said, I probably talked your guys' ear off the entire vlog, and I'm really sorry about that. Like I said, if this is your first vlog, please do not judge this vlog at all. It's kind of all over the place. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I am sorry about this video being up late. Obviously things have been going on. Winslet was sick, so everything should be back to normal next week as far as videos go, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to catch up on my Instagram page. I'm a lot more active on there, especially on days that I don't have videos. So make sure you're following me over there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.